Today I'm going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing business. This process is so simple, even beginners can start earning money in their first month. I'm going to show you the strategies I used to be able to quit my full-time factory job, and now I'm making money from home using affiliate marketing. But first, my name is Jason Brothers with J Bros Financial Freedom, and if you're interested in creating both time and financial freedom through affiliate marketing, you're in the right place because that's all we talk about here. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Now let's dive into today's video. What genre of topics do you want to be marketing? That is your niche. And you want to pick one that you care about and are passionate about and that you know a lot of information about, because you're going to be spending a lot of time and energy talking about this topic. So pick one that you like. There's tons of niches out there, but a few of the more common ones are like wealth or finances, fitness, health, beauty, pets, cats, dogs, cars, outdoors, gaming, and the list goes on, but I think you get the idea. And while you want to narrow your business down to a niche, you don't want to get too narrow. So, for example, dogs is perfect. A lot of people like dogs, and there's a lot of dog products. However, a one-eyed poodle in Texas might be a little too specific. You want something where there's enough traffic out there to keep your business running. Pick one category. You can even pick one subcategory. So you can go into a specific breed of dog if you want to, or specifically dog food or dog toys or accessories, something like that. However, if you get too narrow, too specific, there's just not enough traffic out there to grow as a business. If you want to have a company name or branding, if you use a specific niche, you won't be able to leave that niche. However, if you use your own personal name for your branding, you can switch niches. Now, you won't want to do this often, because if Bass Pro Shop suddenly started suggesting what eyeliner to wear in makeup and beauty, it probably wouldn't get a good reception. So you don't want to switch niches too often. You want to stick to what you know and what you grow authority in. But you can switch, and it's a lot easier to switch if you use your own personal name in your branding. Now that you have your niche picked out, it's time to talk about what product you want to promote. So you need to find a product that has an affiliate program. There's thousands of affiliate programs out there, but a couple of things you want to keep in mind as you're making commissions is there's basically three types of commissions you can make: low selling products, high ticket selling products, and recurring commissions. Now, low ticket products are going to be things like silverware for kitchen, clothes, makeup, stuff like that. Things that are generally pretty cheap, and you're going to earn low commissions, and you're going to need lots of traffic for these products. High ticket commissions are going to be things like kitchen appliances, such as a refrigerator or a dishwasher. Online courses often pay out over $1,000 commissions, something like that. And recurring commissions are commissions that pay you monthly, and these are going to be things like subscription-based models from software or memberships and stuff like that. And keep in mind, this is the only way to achieve time freedom, because as you make more monthly recurring commissions, that is passive income, and that is the only way to get to time freedom. But a good affiliate program could have all three different types of commissions: low ticket commissions to get people in the door and make a little bit of money with the more traffic you get; high ticket commissions to where the people who do want to spend big can, and you earn a lot through it; and recurring commissions so you can achieve time freedom. And if you want a program that has all three, click the link in the description below. The Home Business Academy is a perfect example of everything you need in a program. And keep in mind, choosing the specific product or program you want is just as important as picking your niche, because this is your business and you're going to be spending a lot of time and energy. You want it something that you can be proud of and enjoy doing. All right, moving on. The next thing you want to do is get these two tools. So when you start an affiliate marketing business, there's all kinds of online tools that can help you out. But there's only two that you absolutely need, and those two are a sales funnel and email automation. A sales funnel can collect people's emails and tell a bit about yourself and the product, before sending them onto the offer page. Now, why do you want to do this? Well, you want to collect their emails so that you can then send email automation, follow up with your potential leads, and earn more that way. Also, sales funnel work 24/7 because it's the link that you have on the screen. You don't have to be there personally talking to the person. They have all the information. You can kind of pre-sell your item or product here in the sales funnel, and then it can lead on to a thank you page where you tell a bit about yourself, build know, like, and trust. When people know, like, and trust you, you earn more commissions that way. The other tool you need is the email list automation. And as you grow your email list, you can send more offers to more people. You can send follow up emails. And the more that somebody sees your product, the more likely they are to then purchase it. Simple as that. And this works 24/7 for you. So you can be sleeping at your job, on the date, wherever. And this system of these two tools is growing for you. All right, the next thing you need to know is getting traffic for your business is probably the most important thing there is out there. It can be very difficult, but I'm going to share with you exactly how to do that. There's many different places you can get your traffic. Some of the more common ones are things like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, blogging, email marketing, Pinterest, Reddit, Quora, and the list can go on. But as you can see, there's a lot, and a lot of these are actually social media sites. But it's actually kind of broken down to two different categories. You have your daily or short term content, you have your evergreen or long form content. Daily content can be things like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, where you need to post once a day or multiple times a day to continue growing and getting a larger audience. Evergreen content is something like YouTube or blogging, where you get your traffic from searches on Google or YouTube. These are nice because they are passive. So years from now, somebody can be searching what is the best sales funnel out there, and then my webpage pulls up for the Home Business Academy, and I wrote that years ago, but I continue getting traffic. But no matter which platform you choose, go in there, stay consistent, and pick one that your target audience is going to be, because these are the people that are going to grow your business. As long as you stay consistent, you can grow on any of these platforms. And now you know what to promote and where to promote it, but how is the question. So when you create content, and that's either through posts or videos, no matter which one you go with, it needs to have the same structure. And that is an attention grabber, your content, and then a call to action. So we scroll social media all day, every day, right? Why should somebody stop for your post or your video? You want an attention grabber in your first line of a post or the first 3 seconds of a video. You want a reason for your target audience to stop and pay attention to your content. Once you have their attention, you can go into your content, whether that's a personal story that you tie into your product, or a problem they have and how your product is the solution to it. And you can choose what you want to use, but you want to end in a call to action. And that could be check out the link in my bio or comment for more information, something clear that you want your leads to do for follow up information so that you can promote your product to them. All right, moving on to expanding your business. So once you start earning some commissions and your business starts growing, you'll start earning a little bit of cash flow for your business. And when you start, there's 101 things for you to buy. It's like everybody wants your money and you need to spend money everywhere to grow your business. So where do you start? Do you buy more tools and software? Do you buy more automation, outsource creating your content, paid ads? The list goes on where you can spend your money. I have found that the best way to start is by growing your organic reach on whatever platforms you're using at the time, because that method is working for you. You're already earning commissions doing this way. And so if you can pay to expand your reach on these platforms, that method that's working for you is going to work on a broader scale and make you more money faster. And that doesn't mean paid ads. Paid ads can be expensive. You got to do split testing, experimentation. There's a lot of cost to it at the start, especially when you don't know what you're doing. I'm talking about growing your organic audience to as large as possible And then I would move on to buying more software tools and automation to make your job easier, to spend less time and be more efficient. And these two things are going to grow your business the fastest. And then once you're earning a little bit more, you can go on to like CRMs or paying someone to outsource your content or paid ads, stuff like that. But growing your organic audience and then upgrading your tools and software, these two are going to grow your small business quicker from the start. All right, and the next thing I want to talk about is time and financial freedom. So, congratulations, your business is now earning money, and that means financial freedom. But as you might know, more money equals more problems. So, as your business starts making money, you're going to have to start paying taxes on it. And I know nobody likes talking about this, but even if you pay someone to do your taxes for you, it is a little bit more complicated, and there is some things you might want to know. So buying a very basic like tax course so that you know what can be an exemption to keep track of, to keep your account separate, your business account from your personal account separate, something like that could help you. And understanding a basic financial education is something else that can help you know what to do with your money, how to spend your money, how to hold your money, and investments that's going to grow over time rather than sitting in the bank and losing to inflation. And now, because you're earning passive income through affiliate marketing, you got time to do whatever you want. But to be even more financially secure, you got time to build on a second source of income, a third source of income, and a fourth source of income. And all of these should be passive income so that you don't tie yourself up in your business, but can still be earning more money without taking more of your time. So that's the amazing thing about passive income is you can always earn more money while you're sleeping or playing with your family or doing whatever you want. All right. And now you know how to start an affiliate marketing business from the very start to when you're earning a lot of money. And this is amazing business that anyone, anywhere in the world can do because it's all online. Just making sure you're in the right niche, have the right products, and are targeting the right audience. And as long as you're consistent, your business will grow and it will be an amazing thing for you. Now, if you're still on the fence about starting up an affiliate marketing business, check out this video where I go over the 7 things you should consider before you get going. If you like this video, please hit that like button because it helps me so much on YouTube. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.